Okay, so driving basics number 2, just in these mini series, stop signs. There's one in Diss, where I live, and I don't actually think I've ever seen anyone stop at it. Of course, I'm sure there is people that do. But definitely, more often than not, no one stops at a stop sign. Now, it is the law. If you're unaware, in the highway code it's a must. You must stop before the line, before you emerge. So because it's a must, it's backed up by a law, and therefore if you were seen, for example, by a police officer to not stop at a stop sign, that is an instant fine that they can potentially give you if they decide to. So as I come around here, I've got a stop sign, I've got a left only, there are pedestrians, and I of course have to give way to pedestrians, or I should give way to pedestrians that are about to cross, and look how late I'm going to see them. So I'm coming in very slow, and I am going to stop at the line. Then I'm going to make sure I'm happy, and then I carry on. Now once I'm at the line, the pedestrian to the left, I'm now not going to let them cross. I'm in position to then complete my turn, and so of course I carry on. But that is a really basic one, very, very basic. Stop at the stop sign. And of course, as I said, I very rarely see people doing that. I walk along there with my children all the time, and I almost never see anyone stop at the stop sign, and I don't understand the mentality behind that because the view is terrible. So same as usual, let me know in the comments. Do you stop at stop signs? Were you aware that it's actually the law that you must stop at a stop sign? Did you just think it was advice? You know, what do you think? Why do you think people don't stop at stop signs? I'll see you for the next one.